Welcome to this informative video about heart attacks. Heart attacks are a serious medical condition that can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender. In this video, we will provide you with important information about what a heart attack is, the causes, symptoms, and treatment options available. We will also discuss ways to prevent heart attacks and maintain a healthy heart. Whether you are someone who has experienced a heart attack, or someone who wants to learn more about this condition, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of heart attacks. A heart attack, also known as a myocardial infarction, MI, is a serious medical condition that occurs when the blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked, causing damage to the heart muscle. This blockage is usually caused by a blood clot that forms in one of the coronary arteries, which are the blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle. Symptoms of a heart attack can include chest pain, discomfort or pressure that may spread to the arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach, shortness of breath, nausea, sweating, lightheadedness or dizziness, and fatigue. It is important to note that not everyone experiences the same symptoms, and some people may not have any symptoms at all. Heart attacks can be caused by a variety of factors, including atherosclerosis, a condition in which the arteries become narrowed and hardened due to a buildup of plaque, which can eventually rupture and cause a blood clot to form. Other risk factors for heart attacks include smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, lack of exercise, and a family history of heart disease. The treatment for a heart attack depends on the severity of the condition and the extent of damage to the heart muscle. In some cases, medications may be used to dissolve the blood clot and restore blood flow to the heart. In other cases, procedures such as angioplasty or coronary artery bypass surgery may be necessary to open up the blocked artery and restore blood flow. Preventing heart attacks involves maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing risk factors. This includes quitting smoking, maintaining a healthy diet and weight, exercising regularly, managing stress, and controlling conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. It is also important to regularly monitor and manage any underlying heart conditions and to seek medical attention if you experience any symptoms of a heart attack. Thank you for watching this informative video about heart attacks. We hope that you found the information helpful and gained a better understanding of this serious medical condition. Remember, recognizing the symptoms of a heart attack and seeking prompt medical attention can save lives. If you have any concerns about your heart health or are experiencing any symptoms, please consult your healthcare provider. And don't forget to take care of your heart by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing any underlying conditions. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.